Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way, with the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we've got this pop-out window, and at the bottom of it, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them, then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And right here, we have to tap on Model, which appears in this strange section. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.